Foreign diplomats recently attended Ganesh Arati at Varsha Bungalow, the official residence of Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. This event, which is part of the border Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations, saw a diverse group of international representatives joining in the traditional Hindu religious ceremony. The participation of diplomats underscores the cultural diplomacy efforts and the growing appreciation for cultural heritage. The gathering not only highlighted the significance of Ganesh Chaturthi but also provided an opportunity for strengthening ties between India and the international community through shared cultural experiences.